Welcome back to another video. Now go check out my last two videos that I just posted. But we don't watch DDG destroy Dub's car. We don't watch this say go at DDG mom. And commit a murder. But now we got Dub. His response to DDG destroying his car. And what he said about Woo Wop. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video because it's going to be a longer one. Y'all go get y'all a snack. Y'all tune in. Y'all join the family unless your mom will have bad luck for 3 years. But if y'all want to not have bad luck, subscribe. Cancel this out. And share the video. Let's reach 8K.
What are y'all lying, bro?
Who lying, Dub? We always keep it a dub.
No way, bro.
Times 5. Quick math. What's up? You seen it?
I'm so pissed off, bro.
How mad? How mad? Let us know. Explain to us.
I can't say that I'm mad. I can't say that I'm upset.
So what are you? You just told me you were mad. Are you bipolar? That's what you are. What are you? You just went from I'm mad, I'm so...
Something was finna happen. This really just means war.
War.
I'm on the edge, right?
We've been in war.
TT.
When you bleach his clothes, we've been in war.
The only thing I regret about this whole situation is getting into it with TT. I don't regret doing anything I did to my brother. I just, I did something to his crib. He did this. Fat. I don't know what that said. Did he?
We're not gonna talk about it. Valedictory and DDG in the chat. We're not gonna talk about it.
Whole bit, fat, whole bit. I don't know what that said right there.
Me either. I didn't know what it said either, but it's disrespectful. Disrespectful.
But this right here, this is what I don't understand.
Okay. But he put himself in a grown man's position.
Nigga, this is your nephew. This is your...
And you his brother.
Is your nephew. I gotta go watch the rest of it. This is y'all valedictorian?
Valedictorian vind ik goed, hè.
This is y'all valedictorian? What does this say right here? What does this say? This is y'all valedictorian. I'm gonna beat the shit out of my brother when I see him. I'm gonna whoop his ass.
What did you mean by that?
It's not. Fuck the spray paint, bro. It's this. Like, what do you mean? What if he would have walked downstairs and seen me? The only clear thing here is Woo Wop. Let me watch the rest of the video.
Yo.
Back door.
Last night, but I left something in your car before I left.
I write a lot of essays for school, but
Okay.
I also write sales descriptions for my Etsy
Guess
shop.
what?
I use Grammarly on my work email.
We do not care.
The fact that this nigga Vaughn set me up, right? Set me up for some weed lets y'all know what type of person this is. He's a whore, bro. He's a whore, bro.
1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4. Setting somebody up for some weed equals whore.
He's a
You got it?
whore. And by saying that, I mean that his services can be bought.
Oh,
He's a woman.
you was a step ahead of me. My
Seeks
bad.
Attention. Like, how do you set somebody up for some weed, bro, for his car to be spray painted? I'm finna call this nigga right now.
Right.
I don't even want to see this nigga face.
Hello?
Yo. Hello?
What's good with you, man?
That's what you want, bro?
Ooh, he answered the phone all happy. Hello? Yeah, dog, I just set you up. But what's good with you? How your day going? Yeah, you seen what we did to your car? You gonna let me in your garage again, though, right? Are you
Ain't got nothing to do with me, man.
No, I'm saying that's what you want, right?
Ain't got nothing to do with me, man.
How ain't got nothing to do with you if you calling to for a nigga to do something to my car?
right?
Nigga gave me some weed. A whole damn near a goddamn pound. What you want me to do?
I stand
Just
correct.
to film a video.
Nah, I stand correct.
Did it too.
No, I wouldn't. All right, then, bro. All right. Now, I'm off to show y'all how much a fraud y'all so-called leader DDG is. 1 second.
What is these for?
I really can't believe this, but y'all see where I'm at. Now watch this.
What is these for?
Look at that, y'all.
My camera's about to die. You use washable paint? If it die, it die.
Look at this.
I can't control that. You use washable paint. You're not even really about it. I thought we was hood. I thought we was go all in or go home. And then get gone.
After. This is after.